In order to insert SIM card into Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, you will need to open the SIM tray, which is over here at the bottom. And of course, in order to pop it out, we need to use the eject tool. You can find it inside the box. And once you have the SIM eject tool, this pin, we can put it into this hole over here. So put it into the hole, and then once it is in, we want to push it so that the SIM tray comes out just a little bit, as you can see, and then use your fingers or fingernails in order to remove the SIM tray from the phone. Once we have the SIM tray, we need to take a look at the correct shape, and we need to simply match the shape and place the SIM card into the SIM slot. So we can just put it into the slot. It should go in pretty easily. However, keep in mind that the slot is really loose and it is really easy to drop and lose the SIM card. So you might want to keep holding it with your finger until you actually put it into the phone. So now over here, I'm gonna also insert the second SIM. There we go. And once we insert our SIM card or SIM cards, we need to place them back into the trace place. And like I said, we need to keep holding with our fingers because they are really loose, and push it back in and make sure that it is actually fully in, that it doesn't stick out or anything, to avoid unwanted damage. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!